Find the derivative with respect to x of x raised to the ln x. So first write this as the derivative with respect to x of e, that is, raised to the ln x times ln x. You can do this because e and ln are inverse functions. Then it's going to be the derivative with respect to x of e raised to the ln squared x. As a bit of a side, this notation, ln squared x, really means within brackets or parentheses, ln x as your inside function, and a squaring as the outside function. You need to know that for the chain rule. So it's going to be then e raised to the ln squared x by the chain rule. Then you multiply by the derivative of that ln squared x. Continue. So e to the ln squared x. The derivative of this part now, as you bring the 2 down, multiply by the inside of ln x. And then again, multiply by the derivative of the inside, which is another ln x right here. Continue. We write this e to the ln squared x as e to the ln x times ln x. Put the 2 out front, and the derivative here, well, this part stays as ln x for now, and the derivative of that ln x is now 1 over x this way. Multiply this together, and what you can do is you can cancel this with this, which means you have 2x raised to this ln x times ln x, and that x in the denominator can now be placed down here. And lastly, because this is really like x to the positive first, you can write this as 2x to the ln x minus 1 times the remaining ln x. These are both equivalent answers. Here's all the work. We'll see if I like if it's helped you out.